Hey everyone, James here. If you're looking for the best option before making a purchase, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the top products available right now. We've carefully evaluated features, performance, overall value, and customer feedback to help you find the option that best fits your needs and budget. Be sure to stick around until the end, because our number one pick stands out with an impressive combination of quality, performance, and overall value. If you'd like to check current pricing, read customer reviews, or learn more about any of the products featured in today's video, you'll find links to everything mentioned in the description below. Now, let's jump right into the countdown. Number 5. Next up is the 34-piece silicone kitchen utensil set from Umite Chef. This comprehensive collection aims to replace the need for buying individual tools, offering a wide variety of essentials like spatulas, spoons, and tongs all in one package. According to product data, the food-grade silicone is BPA-free and heat-resistant, making it safe for direct food contact. A standout feature is the vintage-style wooden handles, which testing reports show remain cool to the touch even during prolonged use. This design adds both comfort and a classic aesthetic to the set. The silicone heads are also thickened for durability, reducing the risk of bending or warping under high heat. While this set covers most cooking tasks, some users note that the wooden handles require occasional maintenance to prevent drying. Additionally, the sheer number of pieces may be excessive for those with limited storage. For anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen tools with a stylish, functional collection, this set offers great value. Its combination of safety, variety, and ergonomic design makes it a strong contender for home cooks and enthusiasts alike. Number 4. Here's your compliance script for the Astercook 39 PCS kitchen utensils set. When it comes to equipping your kitchen with reliable tools, the Astercook 39-piece set stands out for its thoughtful design and durable construction. Based on product specifications, these utensils are heat-resistant up to 446 F, making them suitable for high-temperature cooking without warping or melting. The seamless design eliminates crevices where food particles can get trapped, simplifying cleanup A+ for anyone who values efficiency. User feedback highlights the BPA-free materials as a key benefit, ensuring safer food prep without harmful chemicals. The soft-tipped edges also help protect non-stick cookware from scratches, extending the life of your pans. While the set covers a wide range of tasks, some users note that the handles could be slightly longer for added leverage with deeper pots. Testing reports show consistent performance across common cooking scenarios, from stirring to flipping. If you're looking for a comprehensive, no-fuss set that balances functionality and durability, this one's worth considering for everyday use. Just keep in mind that individual preferences for weight or grip may vary. Number 3. Next up is the Riveira Dark Bamboo Wooden Spoon Set, designed for those who prefer sustainable kitchen tools without sacrificing performance. Constructed from 100% organic bamboo, these utensils offer an eco-friendly alternative to plastic or metal while maintaining durability. The smooth, polished surface prevents scratching on non-stick cookware, making them a safe choice for delicate pots and pans. According to product data, the bamboo material is naturally stain-resistant and easy to clean, just hand wash and air dry. The set's versatile design includes multiple spoon shapes, suitable for stirring, flipping, and serving a variety of dishes. User feedback highlights the comfortable grip and balanced weight, which help reduce hand fatigue during extended cooking sessions. A minor limitation is that bamboo, while sturdy, may require occasional oiling to maintain its finish over time. However, testing reports show consistent performance and heat resistance, handling temperatures up to 400 F without warping. For anyone seeking reliable, earth-friendly kitchen tools, this set is worth considering for everyday cooking needs. Number 2. Here's your compliance script. The Umite Chef Kitchen Cooking Utensils set is designed to tackle everyday cooking tasks with durability and safety in mind. According to product specifications, it features food-grade silicone heads that are BPA-free, ensuring they won't react with acidic or oily foods, making them a reliable choice for everything from soups to stir-fries. Testing reports show the silicone resists staining and odors, even after prolonged use, while the stainless steel cores provide stability without bending or warping under heat. User feedback highlights the ergonomic handles for comfort during extended prep sessions, though some note the larger utensils may feel slightly heavy for delicate tasks. The set's sturdy construction holds up to high temperatures, though prolonged exposure to direct flames isn't recommended per manufacturer guidelines. With a balanced mix of essential tools, this set offers great value for home cooks seeking versatile, long-lasting utensils. While no product is flawless, the combination of food-safe materials and resilient design makes it a good choice for upgrading your kitchen toolkit. Just verify current pricing and availability before purchasing, as these can vary. Number 1. If you're looking for a set of wooden cooking utensils that strike the right balance between functionality and natural materials, this 10-piece teak wood collection stands out. Crafted from 100% natural teak, these tools avoid the risks of synthetic coatings or plastics, making them a safe choice for high-heat cooking. Based on product specifications, the dense grain of teak wood resists cracking and warping under repeated use, while its natural oils make it less prone to absorbing odors, a common issue with lower-quality wood utensils. The set includes a variety of essentials like spoons, spatulas, and a slotted spoon, covering tasks from stirring sauces to flipping delicate foods. While user feedback highlights the sturdy build and comfortable grips, a minor limitation noted by some is that wooden utensils require more maintenance than silicone or metal options. Hand washing is recommended to prolong their lifespan. On the durability front, testing reports show consistent performance even with frequent use, though like any wood product, occasional oiling may be needed to maintain its finish. For those prioritizing non-toxic materials and a classic kitchen aesthetic, this set offers a reliable assortment worth considering. If you're looking for a durable and well-designed kitchen utensil set, the products we discussed today offer strong options worth considering. According to product data, these sets feature heat-resistant silicone, ergonomic handles, and rust-proof construction, key factors for long-term performance. Testing reports show they handle high heat well, though some users note minor flex in certain spatulas under heavy use. With balanced functionality and thoughtful storage solutions, these sets provide great value for home cooks. Remember to check current pricing and availability before purchasing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more unbiased reviews.